About the fit. So a fit is one of the common pain points of clients, I've noticed. So they think that just because they know what product they want to make, that the designer can just invent the measurements on the tech pack, and that's really a bad idea to let the designer put whatever measurements on the tech pack, because you've seen when you've been shopping in different shops, you've seen that t-shirts, even the most basic t-shirt, it can fit completely different from one brand to the other. So you really have to make some decisions on your own about what type of fit you want for your garment, and the best way to do that is to actually have a competitor garment that you have in your hands, that you bought and that you fitted on different people, and you confirm that this is how you want the garment to fit. And we can use that garment, that competitor garment, as base measurements to put on the tech pack, on the POMs, on the tech pack, so that you have the measurements that are immediately correct from the get-go, that you've seen and tested from an existing garment. This is one of the possibilities if you don't know how you want the garment to fit, is to use an existing garment. The second possibility is that I draft the patterns of the garments and I 3D render them on an avatar so that we can both see what needs adjusting. And then you'll have the pattern to send to the factory as well. This is fail-proof. You'll test it on the avatar, you see if the sleeves are the right length, if the volume is correct. You'll decide what type of body type you want to dress, because it's impossible to dress every single body type. You have to make this decision: who is your target customer? Is it someone short? Is it someone tall? Is it someone fit? Is it someone curvy? You have to make the decision. Once we've done the 3D rendering, we'll have a much better idea of the volumes we want to use, and then I can use those. Either I put the pattern file, the DXF or vector file, inside the tech pack, and they use that in their pattern cutting machines immediately, or I use the measurements that we developed from the 3D render. I use those to develop the measurements on the tech pack itself.